Welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. In our program number 15, we are going to learn about do-while loop. In do-while loop condition program condition is checked at the end of program as shown in figure number 29. This is different from while loop, where while loop is checked at the beginning. So it starts while loop, then condition. But in do while loop, we start with do, then while is pressed at the end of the code. So that is all about do while loop. So we should write a program which looks like or as shown in figure number 29, and our output from the console should be looked similar as figure number 30. So let's go open compiler, then Control N for creating new file in dev C++ #include iostream using namespace std, then int main, put bracket, then put comment, do while loop program in C++, program in C++. So declare your variable to control your loop. Int a is equal to 0, put semicolon, do, then out this is while loop in C++, then end line, put semicolon, a should increment while, as I told you, condition is pressed at the bottom of your code. A is greater or equals to 3, so loop should start from 0, 1, 2 and end from end to 3. So here return 0 and put semicolon. That's the end of our program. Let's see how we should save it. We should save our program as do while loop .c++. So do while loop. So compile and save your program as do while loop. Do while .c++. As you can see, our program is free of errors and warning. Just compile and learn to see how the output look. Or if you have not something, our output of do while loop is looking similar to the output of while loop. So figure number 30 shows our output. So let's compare them. So as you can see, output from figure number 30 is looking similar to our output from the console. So that is all about the while loop. Uh, this is MoTech. I'm Noel Moses Mwadende. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.